Most lightweight strollers are garbage. They're flimsy, uncomfortable, and break after 3 months. But I found 3 that are actually worth your money. I spent 200 hours testing travel strollers so you don't waste $500 on junk. Let me show you the winners. Let's talk about the Bugaboo Butterfly 2, and honestly, this stroller impressed me more than I expected. This is what premium engineering looks like in a travel stroller. The headline feature is the 1-second fold. I've tested dozens of strollers, and most quick fold claims are exaggerated. Not this one. 1 hand, 1 second, and it collapses into a compact package that actually fits in airplane overhead bins. It's IATA compatible, which means it meets carry-on luggage requirements. Just verify with your specific airline before traveling, because policies can vary. What separates the Butterfly 2 from budget options is the comfort factor. The seat is genuinely spacious with an ergonomic design and an adjustable footrest that grows with your child. It works from newborn to around 4 years old, though you'll want a car seat adapter for infants. The seat reclines to multiple positions, including fully upright, so your toddler can sit up and explore or recline back for naps. Here's where Bugaboo justifies the premium price. The wheels. They're noticeably larger than competitors, and the full suspension system actually works. Rolling over sidewalk cracks, cobblestones, and airport terminal floors feels smooth. The maneuverability is excellent for navigating crowded spaces. Is it worth the investment? If you travel frequently and want something that won't frustrate you, absolutely. The Graco Ready2Jet is where affordability meets genuinely clever design. At 13.2 pounds, this is one of the lightest full-featured strollers I've tested, and the automatic fold mechanism is legitimately impressive. Here's what makes it special. One-hand activation triggers an automatic fold. You're not wrestling with latches or using both hands. Press the button, and it collapses itself into an overhead-friendly size that self-stands. Perfect for parents juggling a toddler, bags, and boarding passes. Graco recommends confirming with your airline, but the dimensions work for most carriers. The feature list rivals strollers twice the price. You get all-wheel suspension for smooth rides, a multi-position reclining seat, and a convertible harness system that switches between 3-point and 5-point configurations with ultra-soft webbing. The adjustable calf support is a thoughtful touch most budget strollers skip. There's also a removable belly bar that doubles as a carry handle, a UV50 canopy with visor, storage basket, parent cup holder, and a premium leatherette handle that feels expensive. It's compatible with all Graco SnugRide infant car seats, transforming into a complete travel system. The 1-foot tap brake is simple and reliable. For families wanting lightweight travel convenience without spending $400, the Ready2Jet delivers exceptional value. This is smart engineering at an accessible price point. The Ingenuity 3D Mini is the budget champion in this lineup, and at 11 pounds, it's actually the lightest stroller I'm reviewing today. Don't let the low price fool you. This delivers surprising value for families on a tight budget. The steel frame construction keeps weight down while maintaining durability. You get a full-size seat that accommodates kids up to 45 pounds, which is solid capacity for an umbrella-style stroller. The anti-shock front wheels and lockable rear wheels handle basic terrain well, though you'll notice the difference compared to premium suspension systems on rough surfaces. Comfort features include multi-position recline, a padded seat back, and a padded 5-point safety harness. Your toddler can sit upright for exploring or recline back for naps. The compact fold is straightforward and hassle-free, making storage and transport simple. The canopy has a flip-out sun visor that extends coverage on bright days. Storage is genuinely impressive for this price point. You get an undercarriage basket, a rear storage pocket, and 2 cup holders. More than some expensive models offer. Is it as refined as the Bugaboo? No. Will it glide as smoothly as premium options? Not quite. But for occasional travel and everyday errands on a budget, the Ingenuity 3D Mini punches way above its weight class. Excellent value. The Ergobaby Metro 3 sits in the sweet spot between budget and premium, and it's become one of my go-to recommendations for families who want quality without breaking the bank. The one-hand fold is smooth and reliable, collapsing into a compact package that fits airplane overhead bins and car trunks easily. What makes this stand out is the seat size. Ergobaby advertises one of the roomiest seats among compact travel strollers. And they're not exaggerating. Your toddler won't feel cramped, and the near-flat recline position makes nap time actually restful. Here's a major advantage: newborn compatibility. The integrated newborn nest mode means you can use this from day one without buying separate infant inserts. It's also car seat compatible if you prefer that route, though accessories are sold separately. This grows with your child up to 50 pounds, giving you years of use from a single stroller. Practical features include a legitimately roomy storage basket, a secure zippered pocket for valuables like your phone and wallet, and an extendable water-resistant canopy with UV protection. The Peekaboo window lets you check on your child without stopping. Ergobaby backs this with their Ergo Promise guarantee, replacing any manufacturing defects at no charge. For families wanting newborn to toddler versatility in a travel-friendly package, the Metro 3 delivers excellent all-around performance. The Evenflo Hummingbird is an engineering marvel, and at 9 pounds, it's the absolute lightest, full-featured stroller in this entire review. Let me explain why that matters. This uses a carbon fiber frame, the same material found in high-end bicycles and racing cars. Carbon fiber delivers incredible strength-to-weight ratio, meaning you get durability without the bulk. At 9 pounds, you can genuinely carry this with one hand while holding your child in the other. The one-handed, compact fold and integrated carry handle make portability effortless for travel and daily errands. Despite being featherweight, you're not sacrificing features. The spacious storage basket holds up to 10 pounds of gear, diapers, toys, snacks, whatever you need. Front-wheel suspension provides smooth maneuverability through city streets, airports, and public transportation. It handles tight spaces and quick turns remarkably well for such a lightweight design. The 3-panel canopy offers generous coverage with UPF 50+ protection, keeping your child shielded during outdoor adventures. The seat materials include polyester fiber batting and polyurethane foam padding for comfortable seating. If absolute minimum weight is your priority, without compromising on essential features, the Hummingbird wins. This is premium materials meeting practical design. For frequent travelers or parents who hate lugging heavy strollers, this carbon fiber construction is genuinely game-changing.